Hello, affiliate marketing enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the dynamic realm of affiliate programs. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a newbie, this crash course covers the best affiliate programs for 2023. Let's dive in. First up, let's unveil the top contenders for the best affiliate programs for 2023. From digital offerings to e-commerce giants, we're exploring diverse opportunities to ensure you're on the right track for maximum earnings. For our newcomers, fear not. We've identified the easiest affiliate program for beginners. This user-friendly entry point ensures a smooth start to your affiliate marketing journey. No-cost opportunities. Everyone loves freebies, right? Discover the allure of best free affiliate programs for 2023. Who said making money had to cost a dime? Let's explore the possibilities. The e-commerce titan can't be overlooked. Learn the ropes of how to make an Amazon affiliate account and tap into this colossal marketplace for your affiliate endeavors. Diversity in programs. Affiliate marketing is for everyone. Let's ensure inclusivity with a look at the best affiliate programs for Black women. Diversity is key in shaping a vibrant affiliate landscape. Now, let's turn up the heat, uncover the cream of the crop, the top affiliate programs for 2023. Elevate your game with programs that can take your affiliate journey to new heights. High-ticket wins. Ready for the big leagues? Explore the potential of the best high-ticket affiliate programs for 2023. These programs promise substantial commissions for your dedication and effort. Success lies in the products you promote. Get the scoop on the best affiliate products for 2023. Offer your audience products with real earning potential. Whether you're seasoned, a beginner taking the first steps, or someone seeking programs tailored to their identity, we've got you covered. Affiliate marketing is more than making money online. It's about building a community.